Hey folks, South Alabama Gals here. Today we are going to put a bike rack on the back of this little car so we can carry bikes around. Kayleigh, what kind of bike rack is it?
Allen.
Deluxe trunk bike carrier. So if you don't want to want to put a hitch on here and carry them, this will hold two bikes. So let's get started. All right, Kayleigh. You'll get around on this other side so you can hold the trunk from shutting on me.
Yeah.
So this right here, we had to get it out, get all the straps untangled. This is going to be the foot bar that goes here, and this is going to be the top bar that goes on the top. Now it came with some zip ties holding this all together, so we had to get those broke apart. You'll need a knife or something, and then we're going to put these pins inside of here if Karla has the muscles. Easier said than done. I'll be right back, folks. Okay, folks, we just got a warning from the thunder that we need to get this on soon because we got to get out of the rain. So this does require some good, strong pulling to get it in these little deals here, but that's what is going to hold this stationary once we get it on the car. All right, Kayleigh, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, so let me see if I can do this without hurting your car. So we're going to put this up here. And what we have is we have a strap for each side and a strap for the top. So strap this one. We've got these nice little ties to pull them together. Strap it on there. We've got a nice little tie. We're going to put it here on this corner. That'll keep it from pulling free. Oops, I pulled the wrong strap. No, I didn't. I just pulled it loose. It's not going to work. Okay. First you don't succeed, try something different. I'm going to have to put it here.
Hold it tight.
Yeah, if you'll just hold it still while I get these on, and then you can get yours on. Okay, yep, the rain is coming. Okay, so my side's on. Let me get this bottom one on, and then we can get yours on, and then we're going to have to get in out of the rain. There we go. And I'm going to strap this on the side because she's got a backup camera here that I do not want to interfere with. All right, so let's get this one on because the rain is coming. So you got that one on this corner. I don't think it's going to work up here. I think we're going to have to loosen that back up.
Not bad.
Just because it's trying to slide. It's trying to slide off the corner. So this is going to be for the top right here. We got to strap this on the top. Yeah, just hold this in place. And then we'll put this one, we'll go right here. And they are nicely labeled. This says side strap, so we know it goes on the side. Just her trunk is not as shapely as some trunks. They're not the same shape, so. All right, we're gonna pull this one down, get it arranged again. Because it's kind of wiggled. You'll have to go back and forth making sure each side is tight until you get them tight. Okay, so that one's tight. That one's tight. Okay.
Close it?
Yeah, let's see how it closes. Whoa, did it hit you in the head? What a mean bike rack. Now we're going to tighten each of these stripes down because we don't want it to go off. It's got these nice cushions to keep it from being damaging her car. just have to tie this up here so that it doesn't run off. And so simple. 2 silly girls can do it. It's pretty impressive. I think we're gonna go and get out of the rain. Okay, here it is on. So you can see we have a little strap here holding it on. And then we put the strap here. Depending on how your car is shaped, you'll want to put it in a different spot depending on how it's shaped. And then we have a strap here on the top. And then these little bumpers here hold it in place. And then we've got one there. And we've just tied up the straps. And you can see we've done that on this side as well. They're just basically looped underneath there so that it doesn't damage anything. That's all, folks. Wasn't too difficult. I think y'all can do it. And then you can go out for a good bike ride.